Hello guys! Guys, magluto po tayo ngayon ng chicken adobo. At ito po siya, yung aking preparation guys. Ayan. I-marinate po natin siya guys. Ito, powderized black pepper. Onions. At ang ating liquid seasoning guys. Ito siya, liquid seasoning. Powderized ginger. Oyster sauce. And of course, our pure coconut vinegar. And the soy sauce as well. Ito siya guys, yung aking mga panghalo. I-marinate natin siya mamaya. Lutuin ko siya mamaya. I-marinate natin siya saglit. See you later guys. Bye bye.